Are you looking for travel gadgets and essentials this year? In this video we will look at some of the coolest gadgets and essentials for travel. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Portable Travel Router. A portable travel router is a compact device that ensures you stay connected wherever you go. It creates a personal Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing you to connect multiple devices to the internet simultaneously. With this gadget, you can access Wi-Fi in hotels with limited connections or share internet access with your travel companions. Its small size makes it easy to pack, and its versatile functionality ensures that you can enjoy uninterrupted connectivity during your travels. Noise-canceling headphones. Immerse yourself in your travel experience with noise-canceling headphones. These incredible gadgets use advanced technology to block out unwanted sounds, whether it's the hum of an airplane engine, the chatter of fellow travelers, or the noise of a bustling city. By eliminating external distractions, noise-canceling headphones allow you to focus on your music, podcasts, or movies with crystal-clear sound quality. They are perfect for long flights, train rides, or simply finding tranquility in noisy environments. Universal Travel Adapter. A universal travel adapter is an essential gadget for any traveler. It is a versatile device that supports multiple plug types, ensuring compatibility with power outlets in different countries. With a universal adapter, you can conveniently charge your electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, cameras, and more, without worrying about incompatible plugs. Portable Power Bank. A portable power bank is a lifesaver when you're on the move. This compact device stores electrical energy and allows you to charge your smartphones, tablets, e-readers, and other USB-powered gadgets when there are no electrical outlets available. Look for a power bank with a high capacity and multiple USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. Travel-friendly camera. Capture your travel memories with a travel-friendly camera that combines excellent image quality with portability. These compact and lightweight cameras offer advanced features, high-resolution images, and sometimes even interchangeable lenses, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos of your journey. With a travel-friendly camera, you can document breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cityscapes, and memorable moments with ease, without the bulk and weight of professional-grade gear. Smart Luggage. Upgrade your travel experience with Smart Luggage. These modern suitcases are equipped with innovative features such as GPS tracking, built-in weighing scales, and USB charging ports. With GPS tracking, you can locate your luggage if it gets lost or misplaced during your travels. The built-in weighing scales help you avoid overweight baggage fees by accurately measuring the weight of your suitcase. Portable Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy your favorite music wherever you go with a portable Bluetooth speaker. These compact speakers offer wireless connectivity, allowing you to stream music directly from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Despite their small size, they deliver impressive sound quality and are designed to be durable and water-resistant, making them ideal for outdoor activities, beach trips, or poolside relaxation. E-reader. Carry a whole library with you using an e-reader, a convenient and lightweight device designed for book lovers. E-readers provide a comfortable reading experience with e-ink displays that mimic the look of real paper and adjustable font sizes. They have long battery life, allowing you to indulge in your favorite books, magazines, or newspapers for hours on end without worrying about recharging. Travel-size toiletry bottles. Simplify your packing routine with travel-size toiletry bottles. These bottles are designed to hold small quantities of your favorite shampoos, conditioners, lotions, and other personal care products. They are leak-proof and meet SAR regulations, making them ideal for air travel. By transferring your toiletries into these travel-size bottles, you can save space in your luggage and avoid carrying bulky full-size bottles. Foldable travel pillow. Rest comfortably during your travels with a foldable travel pillow. These ergonomic pillows provide neck and head support, allowing you to relax and sleep better on long flights, train rides, or road trips. The foldable design makes them compact and easy to carry in your bag. Some travel pillows come with additional features such as adjustable firmness, memory foam construction, or built-in eye masks to enhance your comfort and promote restful sleep while traveling. Multifunctional travel jacket. Stay organized and secure with a multifunctional travel jacket. These jackets are designed with multiple pockets and compartments, allowing you to conveniently carry your passport, phone, wallet, and other travel essentials. With dedicated pockets for specific items, you can easily access your belongings without rummaging through your bag. Collapsible water bottle. Stay hydrated on the go with a collapsible water bottle. These bottles are made of flexible and lightweight materials that can be easily folded or rolled up when empty, saving valuable space in your bag. They are designed to be leak-proof and durable, ensuring that you can carry them in your backpack or purse without worry. When filled, collapsible water bottles can hold a significant amount of water, allowing you to stay hydrated during your travels, whether you're exploring a new city, hiking a trail, or relaxing at the beach. Travel-sized first aid kit. Be prepared for minor injuries with a compact travel-sized first aid kit. These kits typically include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, adhesive tapes, and other essential items to address minor health concerns. They are designed to be compact and lightweight, making them easy to pack in your bag or carry on luggage. A travel-sized first aid kit provides peace of mind and ensures that you have the necessary supplies to tend to minor injuries or ailments during your trips. Portable clothes steamer. Keep your clothes wrinkle-free and fresh with a portable clothes steamer. These compact and lightweight devices produce steam that quickly and effectively removes wrinkles from your garments, allowing you to maintain a polished and presentable appearance during your travels. Portable clothes steamers are easy to use and can be safely used on a variety of fabrics. Travel-sized laundry kit. Stay fresh and clean while traveling with a travel-sized laundry kit. These kits usually include a small laundry bag and travel-sized detergent. The laundry bag is designed to separate your dirty clothes from the clean ones, preventing odor and contamination. The travel-sized detergent is formulated to be effective in small amounts, allowing you to do quick and easy laundry on the go. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Stay connected and enjoy reliable internet access wherever you are with a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. These gadgets allow you to create your own personal Wi-Fi network by utilizing a cellular data connection. With a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, you can connect multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, or laptops to the internet simultaneously. Waterproof phone case. Protect your smartphone from water damage with a waterproof phone case. These cases provide a sealed barrier that keeps your phone dry and protected from water, allowing you to use it confidently during water-based activities or in wet environments. Whether you're swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, or simply caught in a sudden downpour, a waterproof phone case ensures that your device remains safe and functional. Travel-sized Bluetooth keyboard. Boost your productivity on the go with a travel-sized Bluetooth keyboard. These compact keyboards connect wirelessly to your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices, allowing you to type comfortably and efficiently wherever you are. Travel-sized Bluetooth keyboards are designed to be lightweight, portable, and durable, making them ideal for business travelers, students, or anyone who needs to work or type on the road. Enhance your writing, editing, or communication tasks with a convenient and easy-to-use keyboard that fits in your bag or pocket. Solar-powered charger. Harness the power of the sun with a solar-powered charger for your electronic devices. These chargers utilize solar panels to convert sunlight into electricity, allowing you to charge your gadgets in an eco-friendly and sustainable manner. Solar-powered chargers are perfect for outdoor adventures, camping trips, or remote destinations where electrical outlets may be scarce. They are designed to be portable, durable, and efficient, ensuring that you can stay powered up even in the most remote locations. Portable espresso maker. Indulge in a fresh cup of coffee wherever you go with a portable espresso maker. These compact and lightweight devices allow you to brew your own espresso on the road without the need for electricity or bulky coffee machines. Portable espresso makers are designed to be easy to use and clean, and some models even include a built-in cup. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply exploring a new city, a portable espresso maker lets you enjoy the aroma and taste of a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, elevating your travel experience. Travel-sized portable safe. Keep your valuables secure with a travel-sized portable safe. These compact safes are designed to provide a secure place to store your passports, cash, jewelry, electronics, and other important items while you're on the move. They are typically equipped with combination locks, digital locks, or biometric technology for added security. With a travel-sized portable safe, you can have peace of mind knowing that your valuables are protected, whether you're staying in a hotel, hostel, or vacation rental. Lightweight travel backpack. Opt for a lightweight travel backpack that offers both comfort and functionality. These backpacks are designed to be durable, spacious, and comfortable to carry for extended periods. Look for features such as adjustable padded shoulder straps, breathable back panels, and multiple compartments to efficiently organize your belongings. Portable mini projector. Transform any surface into a screen with a portable mini projector. These compact devices allow you to project movies, presentations, or slideshows from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop onto a larger screen. With adjustable brightness and image quality, portable mini projectors offer a cinematic experience wherever you go. Whether you're hosting a movie night in your hotel room, giving a business presentation on the road, or sharing photos with friends and family. Travel document organizer. Keep your travel documents organized, secure, and easily accessible with a dedicated travel document organizer. These organizers come in various sizes and designs, typically featuring multiple pockets and compartments to hold your passport, boarding passes, ID cards, credit cards, travel itineraries, and other important documents. With a travel document organizer, you can streamline your check-in process at airports, hotels, or border crossings, ensuring that you have everything you need at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.